This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit road planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at Gardermoen Raceway, and today I want to try something fun. We have gone around the track with the EP mode on the ET5, but just want to know, when we have a small, light car like the Firefly versus big SUV like the EL8, which car is fastest around the track? It's a bit wet today, so a quick spec, the Firefly has 145 horsepower only, but it's rear-wheel drive, but it's quite light, around 1500 kilograms. But then the EL8 is 2.7 ton, but it has also around 650 horsepower. So to make things a little bit interesting, we have Sondre Sanne here. And Sondre, you are, well, can you tell a bit about your driving background?
My driving background is I'm an instructor for on track. That will be to be said. It would be everything from a lorry to economy driving to driving style on the track. So it's all about the driver ergonomics, what you want to achieve on the track. So if you want economy, we can do that today. But if you want to drive crazy, we can go crazy.
Yeah, so that's the whole thing, that Sondre is a quite experienced driver on the track. Me, you know, I'm a family guy, I go on the public roads. So we put a noob like me in the EL8 and then put Sondre in the Firefly, and then we see which car will go fastest around this track.
Get ready to get crashed. Skal jeg kjøre bil med 170 hestekrefter, og Bjørn skal få 650. Skal vi se hvordan dette her går rundt banen da.
I have to turn off the speed limit warning and stuff here, drowsiness. Oh, there's lane departure. Turn off that. Okay. Put the car in Sport Plus. Okay, and then I will just start, and then he will start also. Okay, up with the windows. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the problem is that I don't know this track. Dude, that guy is so fast. This thing is heavy. Nio guy said, be careful. I'm like, yeah. Dude, he's gonna overtake me. I can't go too fast around the curves. This car is so heavy. He's right behind me. He's sniffing my back. Oh, here. This curve is sharp. We're gonna take it easy. You know what we should do? Let him go first. How about that? And then we see how fast he can really go. Okay, go. Go first. You go first. Oh shit. You go first. But yes. Well, let's see. Okay, let me see. Can I keep it up with him though? Shit, I don't know. What? I think around this track you don't need all the power. You just need nimbleness. I remember that I'm a noob around the track, and I don't want to destroy a very expensive car. And same for him, I guess. But he knows how fast he can go. I don't dare to push the car too much. Oh, okay. There is no chance I'm gonna beat him. Right now, weight is more important than power, and he's actually running on some Gitti tires. I had no chance. But it was fun. It was fun. Really? Yeah. What? So, man, I mean, I know you're like a pro driver anyway, but what do you think about the Firefly?
Oh, it was a really good car to drive. The rear-wheel drive, you could feel it through the corners. It was really willing around the corners. It was a fun car to drive.
But I mean, okay, you drove with sport mode, but you didn't even drive with whatever TC off or anything.
No.
Okay, but I mean, for me, okay, I took it easy. Also, you know, I don't want to damage anything, and also I don't know the track. apparently Sondre knows the track already.
Yeah, I've been here a few times before, so I know where the corners are and how I should meet them. So it was easy following you.
So, okay, unfortunately I'm running out of time, but well, okay, I know what you guys are thinking. You should have switched cars and then go for another run. But I think Sondre would probably win that also.
Another time, huh?
Yeah, another time. Well, it was fun. I mean, it shows the potential in the Firefly that when you have a small, light, nimble car, then it doesn't need that many horsepower, and it's still fun to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's an active little car.
Yeah.
Recommended to drive. Go and test drive it from Nio. It's really great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Bjorn.
Thank you.
For a great day at the track.
Yeah. So anyway, I think that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.